why he's dealing with all the complexities.
As opposed to what Rush Limbaugh said when he heard what the Pope said.
One thing to say is change you can believe in, but making change happen is hard.
Rush Limbaugh called him a Marxist the other day.
Yeah, I saw a president who remains frustrated with the political and media culture that he has to work within, and that he really is looking to rally people, students here and supporters and people within the media.
But David Corn, you skeptic. He came to us today.
I know, which is what he's trying to do. He's trying to rally people behind this vision that he's been promoting for a couple of years.
By the way, he did it, and he did it in the end here today, Chris, not by